Good morning guys, this is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Bailey's crinkle cookies. So yes, it's using Bailey's the Irish cream liquor. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 1 cup of walnut halves. We're gonna chop this or dice. And then this is 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a generous pinch of salt that we're just gonna mix and set to side. Over here I have 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, 70% of cacao, with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Over here I have 2 large eggs with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 cup of Bailey liquor. And yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cream this or beat this. We're gonna melt this in the microwave, and again we're gonna chop or dice this and mix this to side, and then we're gonna mix everything. This is using microwave at 30 seconds intervals, 50 seconds max. Melt this, stir it and set it to side. If you can find walnut bits, you can just use walnut bits instead chopping it yourself. If you're using walnut bits or you can find walnut bits, it's 1/2 cup. Otherwise, this is 1 cup that you chop yourself. This is time to completely combine. Now add in your walnut bits, followed with the chocolate and the flour. We're gonna mix this and then we're gonna chill it in the fridge for 2 hours at least. And next is our dry ingredients, flour mixture. Like so. Now we're just gonna cling wrap it and chill it for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. After 2 hours, take out dough from the fridge. Then we're gonna scoop and roll it onto our icing sugar and then place it on greased pan. Like so, and just drop it and then coat it with icing sugar. Place it on your buttered or greased pan and repeat steps like so. Now we're gonna bake this for 10 to 12 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. Let's stand on the pan for 5 minutes before moving on to cooling rack.